Why am I doing this? Hey guys, what up, what up? This is Vermrichter here. And this is going to be just a little, I guess you could call it unboxing, more of kind of like my own personal review kind of take on this sort of thing. As you can clearly see, this is a Steam Deck, which is not new. I don't even really know why I'm doing this video. Everyone already knows about one and or has one. I guess to make it a little bit more interesting, this isn't the only product in the video. I'll be reviewing, kind of doing a review thing on at least 2 other products now that you think about it, because those 2 little cap things are separate. But I bought a few other things, not just this, and we'll be reviewing all 3. Okay, so yeah, so here we have the charger. Oh, it's got a nice little logo, kind of like embezzled on it, or however you put it, however you say it. It's got one of those. That's neat. Oop, can't really get a hold of it. Okay, so it's got like a USB 3. Well, there you have it. Or USB-C. USB, still haven't gotten the hang of it apparently. That's gonna be like a reoccurring inside joke on this channel. Just can't, I know the difference, but I can't say the right one to save my life. So yeah, we have the charger. We have this, the box that the charger came in. This is the Steam Deck itself. Oh, but I gotta unwrap it first, so need both hands. Be right back. Okay, got this off. That's a lot, man. I ain't reading all that. It's in different languages, it's all the same thing. So, oh wow, look at that. Almost looks kind of like carbon fiber-y, almost, just like really small. Got the Steam Deck thingy logo. You can just put that here. Yeah. Kind of looks like there's a security tag on it, not gonna lie. I feel like if I remove this, an alarm would go off at Valve Corporation. That'd be funny. Yeah, like I said, I'm not quite sure why I'm doing a review of this. I mean, everyone already knows. Anyway, so I guess just to give my own little take on it, it's the 1 terabyte OLED, just so that everyone's clear. And yeah, that's one side. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's kind of like, yeah, you can put this on a suitcase. This is very, very well designed for travel. It's very travel oriented, which is kind of like the main premise of why you would buy one of these in the first place. But like, you know, not everyone really does that. Some people just lay in their bed and you know, use it just holding it above their head. But yeah, you could definitely, this is a very, very practical case so far. Wonder how it is on the inside. I expect the same level of practicality inside as well. Let's find out. Alright, took my scissors, cut off the security tag, so headquarters is kind of going crazy right now. Let's hope they don't find me. I don't think I'm... Oh shit, I think they're out there. No, in all seriousness, yeah, they're not there. I hope not. Anyway, that'd be really bad. But yeah, I unzipped it. There's like this little weird Velcro thing that they put here as well. So it's not just a zipper. I'm assuming they have this in case the zipper like breaks and you can't use it. You can't close it with that anymore. So you just need like something like this to like hold it. I'm not sure if you could, how strong it is. but Velcro tends to like wear down over the years, depending on how heavy you use it. So, you know, it's like it could probably, is it secure? What happens if I do this? It's holding up well for a new strip of duct tape, for a new strip of Velcro, but it's, yeah, comes right off and the case opens right up. Speaking of which, let's do that. Wow, that is a big screen. Wow, where's my switch is in my car, isn't it? I use it at break. Damn it. Well, I would hold my switch up next to it, but I don't really think I have to. I mean, this is larger by quite a decent margin. I mean, that's a big screen. I'm not sure if it's touch. I don't really want to like use my grubby little fingers on it in case you know, you get what I'm trying to say. I don't want to smudge it if I don't have to. But yeah, this is the product. This is the Steam Deck. This is the actual console that I got. Interesting, very tactile. So it has the directional pad, which you can also just kind of like mess around with. This is the sandwich menu that Xbox controllers have. This is the other button Xbox controllers have. Not sure what it's called off the top of my head. These I heard help you scroll. It's very nice build quality. Very solid. This is Steam button. You use this for the home menu. I don't know what that is, but well, it has a function. Just not sure what the function is. What the function? Yo, dude, what the function? But yeah, we can start by taking this out of the case. Okay, so I plugged the charging cord just right into the wall over there. It's on the top. This is starting right up. This is like a kind of like one of those like sanitary cloths for the screen for dust. This thing came out of like the back here. I'm assuming this is to yeah, it's a little pouch maybe to hold the charging cord. We have that there. That's starting up. Perfect timing. Welcome, and then I gotta set it up, so I'll do that boring stuff like right now. Okay, so I'm like kind of in the middle of setting it up here. I just entered in all my stuff, and it is currently running through the process. As you can see, 2 minutes, 10 whatever. And I think it's also worth mentioning that while I was setting it up, I tried to use the touchscreen and it works. Yep, it's a touchscreen, alright, and it's very responsive too, so that's good. So you have touchscreen controls. You can use one of the little joysticks on the left. You can use the D-pad, which is also on the left. And yeah, that's what I gathered from it so far. Volume controls, aux, got your trigger and bumper, other trigger and bumper, speaker thingy, power button. And while it's doing this, now might be a good time to bring in the other thing I wanted to showcase. We'll start with the little things first, which are these. They're by, I believe they're called like Gecko grips. There's 2 of them. They're said to be compatible with these joysticks. So I'm gonna put those on. Just the little thing first. And then for the big thing, we have this. We got like kind of a cool little retro looking white and red Famicom looking case. I don't know, I kind of gravitated toward it. I wouldn't necessarily say it's like super cheap, but it's light. It's very light. So is this thing. This thing is like deceptively light. There's these little handles on the side, and then it's like very slim around where the screen is. But yeah, you guys already know. I hear you behind that screen, by the way. You're like, yep, I know, I have one. That's how it's designed. While it's doing its thing, I think I should probably use that opportunity to just install this stuff and then cut back to it. Got these on Amazon. They're supposed to be pretty easy to install. You literally just set that thing inside of the big case and then kind of like snap these on. And then they kind of like do their thing. And that's it kind of like, you know, I don't know. I wanted something that kind of like, I wanted a case for it, kind of, sort of. I didn't want a case, but it's recommended that you protect your very expensive stuff. So I've got this one. And yeah, I got the Gecko grips, not particularly because I needed them, but they might come in handy, who knows? And also like it kind of makes it, kind of like brings it together a little bit more, considering that there's, you know, red accents on the handles around where the grips are. So then now there's going to be not only red handles, but there's also going to be red joysticks. So we're going like really NES Famicom looking retro aesthetic. Okay, and here's my little Famicom device. I just put everything on it. And yeah. So I also forgot to mention that there are 4 extra buttons if you like to set custom, you know, extra buttons in your game. So it has that as well. That's right, I need to sign in. Yeah, there's sort of that. Okay, we got a little welcome to Steam Deck. Press any button. This is the Steam button. Press to access your library, store settings, and more. Press and hold to view Steam button shortcuts. Oh. Steam and Y, Steam and B. Oh wow, this is really sick. This is the quick access button. Press to quickly view your notifications, friends list, quick settings, and more. Well, alright then. Press any button or tap screen. There. Over here are the volume buttons. Press or hold to adjust Steam Deck's volume. Yeah, I already showed this. As if I even needed to, because everyone has one of these. This is something I have to keep reminding myself with. This isn't really a valid review video because no one needs a review video anymore. It's 2025. Last of all, down below is the micro SD card slot. Expand your deck's storage capacity by inserting and formatting a micro SD card. Push the card in to eject. Well, that's really cool. Set up parental controls. Press X to learn or press to continue. Yeah, we don't need to do that. I am the parent of myself. Have fun. We hope you enjoy your Steam Deck. If you would like to see this tour again, you can access it from Quick Access menu, Help, Replay, Guided Tour. Sounds cool, bro. Oh wow, look at this. We have it. Oh man. These colors. Oh my goodness. I was looking through my phone the whole time. Silly me. This is awesome. This is really cool. Can I play Doom? That's really cool. Yeah, there's some games are accessible and other games you can't oh yeah, look, if you look there, yeah, it says you can't do it. Okay, it gives you a little check mark. Returned, journey. Web phishing is surprisingly no. I'm assuming it has a lot to do with the interface of the game. But then again, then why would Destiny not be? Like, what? Why are certain things not... They just won't... Oh, come on, man. You don't know? No, this game says yes, it will work. I don't know what makes a game work on this and what doesn't. I'm sure there's something online that I can read up about. But like, that's really weird. What's new, friends? I'm assuming I can press the bumper. I can press... Oh, okay. Okay. That's cool. Got little notifications. Yeah, this is really cool, man. This is cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing it. Yeah, the case is really cool. I think I showed you the back of it. Just in case I didn't, here you go. Here's another little thing. Look at that. Has the vents, has the ports, and everything you could ever want. There's my Famicom build. Anyway, yeah, this is super cool. It spent a lot of time in the box, which I'm not happy about, but it's fine. It's all good, because I got around to it now. This video, like I said a million times by now, is kind of not necessary anyway. This is just kind of my little fun, unnecessary but fun video of just me goofing around, putting an interesting case on it, customizing it, kind of making it my own, my kind of view on it. And yeah, the fact that I'm just now getting around to it, I mean, like I said, at least I did eventually, and show you guys this nifty little white and red retro setup. I don't know, I think it's cool. I like it. I like it a lot, actually, and I'm gonna be having a lot of fun playing. I don't even know if Forza is available on this. playing some sort of stuff I can possibly download onto this, and yeah, this just marks the beginning of this cool, almost said cool little handheld. It's not little, it's massive. It is huge, and it has a lot of cool features, and yeah, that's just kind of this little video. Just kind of wanted to make it because, I mean, it's a Steam Deck, it's cool, come on. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I see you, whenever the next time is. Stay awesome, Rifters. Just like this awesome little setup. Bye-bye.